Dear friends, Namaskar. I am Atul Singh Chauhan. This short video is regarding the group creation on Zoom application. In academics, we create groups of the students so that a specific task may be assigned to a specific group. It is possible to create such groups on Zoom. One of the methods to create such groups specifically for large number of students is using CSV files, which is predefined. You can use the same CSV file for same subject for all the sessions, or you can modify the CSV file for different sessions. How to do it? You go into Zoom, schedule a meeting. When you will scroll down to the meeting options, you will find the option for breakout rooms pre-assigned. If you are unable to find such options, as in this case, then scroll up. You will find settings on the left hand side. Click on this. Now, the best option in this tab is to just search for breakout or break. When you will search for break, you will find an option for breakout rooms. Just enable this option. Then, if allow host to assign participants to breakout rooms when scheduling option is unticked, then tick this option. After ticking, now the settings have already been saved. Now again try to schedule a new meeting. Here, when you will try to schedule a new meeting, then you can find at the bottom an option for breakout room pre-assigned in the meetings option, as you can see in the screen on the screen. Here you can create rooms manually by yourself, or you can import the number of participants and their specific rooms from a CSV file, as you can see here. But in what format? You will have to write the names and the rooms. You don't have to worry about it. Just click on import from CSV. Then a new tab will open. Here on the top you can find click to download the template. Just click on the download highlighted. Yes, click on the download option. A CSV file will download on your desktop. Open it. It will open in Microsoft Excel or any other software which you have on your system. Here you will find there are 6 test entries which have been assigned to 3 rooms. Let us name the room as per our requirement. I have named the rooms as groups. So we have few students in group 1, few more in group 2, and few more in group 3. I have stuck with 3 groups. In email address, enter the email IDs of your participants, where each email ID entered in front of a group is as per your requirement. Now save the file. Again go to the tab, browse and choose the saved file, or you could have named it as per your requirement. As now you have seen, there were a total of 19 test email IDs in 3 groups, where group 1 contains 6 students, group 2 again 6 and group 3 7. Let us try to add a new participant to group 2. As you can see, test 20, a new student, has been added to group 2. But we have made a mistake probably, where test 7 student was actually to be assigned to group 1. Let us change the mistake. As now you can see, group 1 has 7 students, group 2 has 6 and group 3 has 7. Just click on save and schedule the meeting. Thus we can create the breakout rooms as we have seen in this video. Thank you.